3D scanning services in Abu Dhabi have become increasingly popular in recent years, and one of the leading companies providing these services is Scon Design India Private Limited. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Private Limited offers high-quality 3D scanning services to clients in Abu Dhabi and beyond. The use of 3D scanning technology has revolutionized various industries, including architecture, engineering, manufacturing, and healthcare. It allows for the creation of accurate and detailed digital models of physical objects, which can be used for a wide range of applications. Whether it's capturing the intricate details of a historical artifact or creating a precise replica of a product, 3D scanning services offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd can meet the needs of any project. One of the key advantages of using 3D scanning services is the speed and accuracy with which data can be captured. Traditional methods of measurement and documentation can be time-consuming and prone to human error. With 3D scanning, objects can be scanned quickly and accurately, resulting in highly detailed and precise digital models. This not only saves time, but also ensures that the final product or design is as close to the original object as possible. Scon Design India Private Ltd is known for its commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Their team of experienced professionals uses cutting-edge technology and techniques to deliver high-quality 3D scanning services to clients in Abu Dhabi. Whether it's a small-scale project or a large-scale industrial application, Scon Design India Private Ltd has the expertise and resources to handle it. In addition to 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Private Ltd also offers a range of other related services such as reverse engineering, 3D modeling, and prototyping. This makes them a one-stop solution for clients looking to bring their ideas to life. 3D scanning services are becoming increasingly popular in Abu Dhabi, as businesses and individuals recognize the numerous benefits they offer. One prominent provider of these services in the region is Scon Design India Private Limited. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise, they are able to offer high-quality 3D scanning solutions to clients in Abu Dhabi and beyond. One of the main advantages of 3D scanning services is the ability to accurately capture the physical characteristics of an object or space. This is particularly useful in industries such as architecture, engineering, and manufacturing, where precise measurements and detailed representations are crucial. With Scon Design India Private Ltd's advanced scanning equipment, they can capture even the most complex shapes and structures with exceptional accuracy, ensuring that clients receive highly detailed and reliable digital models. Another benefit of 3D scanning services is the ability to save time and money in the design and production processes. By using 3D scanned models, designers and engineers can make more informed decisions and identify potential issues before they arise. This allows for quicker and more efficient design iterations, reducing the need for costly rework or modifications. Scon Design India Private